Hey everybody, today I'm going to be discussing the subculture of the neo-hippies and transformational festivals. Neo-hippies are a subculture that emerged from the rave scene in the late 90s. It started with ravers who felt the music and collective vibe needed space to expand and thrive, so they moved their parties, as they called them, from dirty warehouses into nature, out into the outdoors, and it just evolved from there. They can be found anywhere on any continent except for Antarctica, but the majority of them are in the US and in Europe. There's many different names for them. Neo-hippie is actually a fairly new term. Within this culture, all ages, all religions, everyone's welcome. They believe in holding sacred space, so that encompasses pretty much every religion. It's a very content rich community where they believe everyone is the co creator of this experience. Transformational festivals are very futuristic yet tribal. They really get back to what it means to be a community. So, trading roots, permaculture, sustainability, diversity, music, and art. And they have workshops where you can learn anything from art to cooking to how to be a good parent. Poetry, you could also take a songwriting class from your favorite artist. You name it, it's there. Obviously, yoga and meditation are very big. But art is one of the main things that really thrives in this culture. And so I'm going to focus on that. This here is the stage, one of the stages at Sonic Bloom Festival here in Colorado. They have many structures that are built around the festival, and they're all usually very vibrant, colorful, unique. And sculptures, festival goers will create sculptures and bring them to share with their fellow neo-hippies. Burning Man's really known for its sculptures, and usually they burn them down at the end. The one at the top right is actually a vehicle that drives. A lot of people will decorate their cars, bikes, things like that, and they do like a big parade. Jewelry is big. As of course, hippies like crystals and gems, and so they'll have their favorite ones wrapped up by a silversmith, or they do these wire wraps. It's really fine wire, silver wire that's all wrapped up into these swirls and very, very intricate and takes a long time. Visionary art is something that you will see a lot of at a transformational festival because the artists will paint them live there where everyone can watch and participate. This is Amanda Sage. She's actually a Colorado artist. Alex Gray is probably one of the most famous. He started out as a anatomy illustrator and evolved into the more psychedelic realm. Android Jones is another Colorado artist. As you can see by the mountains and everything, we know that what we're surrounded by in our world, it comes out in our art. And the music at the festivals is usually electronic, made with beat machines, synthesizers, computers, turntables. Some of them mix it with instruments. It usually has like a repetitive beat that's hypnotic with a funky backbone to dance to and very uplifting. So similar to a tribal drum circle type situation, the music is meant to induce a trance-like state of mind. There's also bands that usually will play anything from rock to bluegrass to reggae. Beats Antique is pretty cool. They do a lot of belly dancing, and this is a shadow box. Very artistic. There's always performing arts. And these artists will be on stage 1 minute, and the next minute they're down dancing with you in the crowd. So it's contributes to all that co-creation. So, all in all, it's a culture of love, free spirits that's getting back to their tribal roots. And pretty cool. Thanks for watching.